did not expect to be filming a video today, so this is a little impromptu. But do you know how difficult it is to have boxes of unopened beauty products in your home? I came home the other night to like a slew of PR packages. They just kind of all descended at once. And I had like a few other PR things that had come into my life. And then I did also place a Beauty Heroes order. So this is not really a Mercedes Shops at all. It's more of a PR haul unboxing, which I was sort of not sure I really wanted to do, but I asked you on Instagram and I got 2 no's and like 50 yeses. So I was like, I guess I'm doing it. People seem very curious to see what companies have sent me recently. I thought it would also just be a good idea to show you and hear what you might like to see me review more in depth down the line. Yes, so let's just get started. So prior to this like crazy mail day that I had, I recently got together with my friend Marissa, who runs Precious Skin Elixirs, and she brought me some products, which is so kind of her. She brought me a replenishment of the Sterling Honey Polish, which is a product I love, and it was actually in my most recent declutter because I had felt like mine, after about 8 months, the potency started going. So now I have a new one of these. It's an amazing product, and I think she did also slightly change the formulation, so I'm gonna see how I like it. I have a good feeling about it. Then she gave me a bottle of her soon to launch Citrine body oil. I think you'll be seeing this before it actually launches. It might be available now, and if not, it's going to be available very soon. I'm going to be doing a giveaway on Instagram of a couple of bottles of this to sort of celebrate the launch of this product. I've been testing it. I really, really like it. So that's new. I think actually after I film this video, I'm also going to film an updated skincare cabinet tour because I haven't done one of those in a while, and I have a whole row of body care, like body oils, so more on that soon. And then she brought me a bottle of her Tourmaline Radiance Elixir, which I'm thrilled about. She gave me a sample of this and I sort of went gaga over it. It's kind of the only thing I want to use on my face recently. So super amped. Thank you so much, Marissa. And one other little thing I bought before we get into the PR stuff. I had a facial this last week at a place called Noel's. I think it's Noel's Herbals. Noel Herbal Skincare. It's in Somerville, Massachusetts. I had been looking for a good facialist in the Boston metro area, preferably someone that is sort of more eco in their approach to skin. I called Fullane, I got a recommendation for this place. I went on her website and I saw that she offers a Christina Holy Marie Veronique facial, which is what I had. And in short, it was amazing. Even though I have expressed disdain for some of the products that I've tried in that line, I did an Instagram post on this, but like as a cohesive facial experience, and from this woman, Shannon Noel in particular, it was very, very good. I had the facial, I think 2 or 3 days ago at this point, and I'm happy with my skin. So while I was there, I picked up this product by the brand Heart Grown Wild. I think it's a local to Massachusetts brand. So she has like a little bit of a retail space and she sells a bunch of the Christina Holy Marie Veronique products. And then this brand, which I had heard about, it might be carried at like Cambridge Naturals or some other local stores that are local to Boston, but I literally had to have this. It's the Nature's Nectar Spruce Resin and Vanilla Body Oil, but it's a shimmer body oil. And I just kind of literally of the entire wall, I like honed in on this and I was like, I had to have that. I think you can mix it into tinted moisturizer for like a light luminous finish on your skin. I had envisioned to put it kind of on décolleté, collarbone, shoulder. I have a couple of trips to Florida coming up. Yeah, it was a total impulse purchase. It was like $24, so it's sort of an affordable impulse purchase. But I will have Noel skincare info listed down below in case any of you are interested in a really good holistic skincare facial in the Boston area. Why don't we do this Beauty Heroes order before we do the other stuff, because this is also stuff that I bought. So the main impetus behind me placing this order, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Sometimes don't you ever forget like what you ordered and then it's like Christmas when you open? Okay, the main impetus was that I needed some new toners. I just finished Stark Petrichor, which I love, and slogged through this Hannah's Daughter Mineral Mist. So I needed some new toning stuff in my life, and I waited to place my Beauty Heroes order until they started carrying the Fit Glow Sea Toning Mist. This was not part of the original Fit Glow products they were carrying. They just started carrying it like last week, and I was like obsessively checking so that I could place this order. I just really wanted to try it. I had heard really good things. Yay. I picked up one of each of the Orgade organic sheet masks. I wanted to try these, so I got the anti-aging Greek yogurt, which is nourishing, and the vitamin C, which is a revitalizing mask. So I'm not really a sheet mask person, but I've been very curious about these. They actually do have them at Full Lane in Boston, so I've seen them kicking around, and when I saw Beauty Heroes carried them, I thought they would be fun to try. This was the LAMOUR promotion, this Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm, which I will certainly give a little whirl to. Always nice to have these sorts of products around, especially in the winter. And then I went ahead and splurged on the Lil Fox Cleopatra Restorative Milk and Honey Beauty Mask. This is $88, so it is not inexpensive, but I loved it so much. It was like one of my favorite beauty products of 2017. Obviously, I liked it enough to buy my own full size at that price. That should tell you how much I love it. It'll last forever. It's a powdered product, so I like kind of having stuff like this around that's not gonna go bad right away, the way something like Precious Skin Elixirs, Sterling Honey Polishes, there's a little more sense of urgency to get through the premixed products. Yes, the key to this is to leave it on for a long time, and you will get the most beautiful resurfacing, evening, calming effect to your skin. Like, leave it on for 40 minutes, I'm talking. It's very, very good. Now I want to show you this package from Modern Minerals. I literally haven't opened anything up. I'm opening on camera. Diane from Modern Minerals is a friend of mine. I met her at this little party that Beauty Heroes hosted at the Red Flower Spa in New York before Indie Beauty Expo a couple years ago. I thought she was just such a nice, kind, warm person. And we sort of keep in touch on social media and things like that. She reached out and let me know that she has started a hair care situation as part of Modern Minerals, and did I want to try? And I said, yes, of course. Apparently, this is very pretty too. I will absolutely use this as a travel makeup bag. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. Apparently, she started this hair care line in conjunction with a French hairstylist. I believe he splits his time between Montreal and Paris. And his name is Damon, and he has been part of this whole process. These little copper bobby pins are so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. My little graphics, look at that. This is what this little set looks like. You guys know I've been having a lot of hair woes lately, so I'm very excited to try these. So this is, oh, it looks like they sort of changed their branding. It says Momi by Modern Minerals. This might be like a subsidiary line of Modern Minerals now that I'm thinking about it. So this is a styling jelly with pink lotus and blush quartz, a dry shampoo. This will probably be the first thing I try. A hydrating mist, and a texture mist. So those are the 4 products that come in this little set. I think it's very well designed and executed. I think that's very, very pretty. There's a little informational insert in here. So it says each product is formulated with select ingredients and infused with the essences of the Korean pink lotus flower and blush rose quartz, created especially for us by Lotus Way. So this has Lotus Way's footprint on it as well. Texture mist creates texture for styling, the perfect top knot or bouncy waves. I think we all know how to use a texture mist. Dry shampoo effortlessly absorbs oil and adds volume. The hydrating mist and the styling jelly I'm curious about. So hydrating mist, featherweight dew and hydration for the hair and body. Interesting. So it's kind of like a leave-in sort of deal. I kind of want to see what that smells like. Very nice. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. It smells like the lip glosses that have the flower infusion in them. That's smells very good. And then the styling jelly Jelly-like texture that allows you to style hair while maintaining movement, flexible flow, and reducing frizz. So kind of like a styling gel sort of thing. Wow, beautiful. Super excited to try these things. Thank you so much, Diane and Damon from Modern Minerals. Really appreciate that. Okay, and then I got a few things from the Detox Market. Now, as you know, they have this thing called the Detox Box, which is a monthly subscription box. I had received the Dr. Alkaitis one, and they sent me the February one as well, which I believe is with Skin Owl, yes. Which we know and love from Beauty Heroes already. So I took a peek and I think I know what's in here, which I'm super excited about. So this is a full size of the Maki Berry Beauty Whip, which I love. It was one of my favorite products from the Beauty Heroes boxes last year, and I probably have that much of my sidekick, so very happy to have a replenishment of this. And then I think it's the geranium drops that are in here, and I haven't, yeah, the geranium. I haven't tried these actually. I'm trying to use up the Maki Berry drops, which I like, but I don't like them as much as I liked the Mangosteen Beauty drops, but I haven't tried the geranium. And then there's also a Beauty Steam, which I think I might, oh, I actually really like the Skin Owl Beauty Steam. This is like a one-time use, so really nice to kind of have around. Oh, and this is a different one. This is the Lovey Dovey blend. Oh, I'm super excited about this actually. They had done a special beauty steam for Beauty Heroes with the Mangosteen box, which was like 2 years ago at this point. And it was like a spring edition Helichrysum beauty steam, and I loved it. So this seems like it's a different one. Yay, happy about that. This, I'm pretty sure, is a skincare line that that the Detox Market sent me. They had reached out and wanted to know. It seems like very excessive packaging for, oh, okay. I was like, what is in here? There's a skincare line that they reached out and wanted to know if I wanted to test. It's called, it's an Italian skincare line that they're now carrying called, isn't that what was in? Okay, that's not what this is. I thought that was something else. They are also sending me a skincare line called, I think it's in Italian pronounced Radiance. Someone told me how to pronounce it. So that's what I thought this was, but that's not what this is. This is from the Detox Market as well, but it's their Crazy in Love bundle. I just got the information. It's a $190 value that you get for free with a $190 purchase on the Detox Market's website. However, they are currently sold out, but I believe will be restocking in the coming weeks. It is going to become available again. It became available initially February 8th, and they sold out, I think, within a couple weeks, right around Valentine's Day. So in the bundle, these are all full-size products, I think. A Captain Blankenship Mermaid Sea Salt Hairspray. So another texturizing spray. I saw this, and this is one of the things I was most excited about. The Herbaviva body lotion in the scent Relax. So this is lavender, rose, and neroli. I'm needing new body lotions, so this is fantastic for me. They threw in some Killer Nails Hum supplements. This is not really my thing, so this will probably end up going into a giveaway pile for me. A travel size of the Kachina Argan Oil. This is perfect for me because I travel a lot, so this is absolutely ideal. I will use this as a face oil on the go. The Goop Exfoliating Instant Facial. This is actually the first Goop product to ever cross my path. I have to be completely honest, I am not on board really with Goop for a lot of reasons. Just Gwyneth Paltrow and her sort of co-option of the beauty space. I've sort of read a lot of critical writing about her, and it's just, to be honest, not really my thing again. So I think I will probably put these together in a little to give away section. This is a brand called Ulverum, and this is a little bath oil. I can't really take baths in my current apartment because the tub is a little gnarly. Oh, this is beautiful. but I'm gonna save this for when I'm at like a nice hotel and wanna take like a nice bath. This is the Well People Nudist Multi-Use Cream Stick in Nude Peach. These used to be called the Universalist Multi-Sticks or Color Sticks. This is actually very pretty. I will absolutely give that a go. And then there's also, this is what I was like, what on earth is that? It's a beaker water bottle. Let's see if I can get it out. You know who I think I'm gonna give this to? My sister, because I think that this has her written all over it. For some reason, it's just making me think of her. I think she'll like it. I already have like water bottles that I really like and use, but actually that's pretty nice. It's like a glass bottle with a silicone sheathing over it. Very, very cute. To get all of that for free, if you're spending $190 on Detox Market's website, is pretty amazing. It comes in this little bag. I think that's a really nice little promotion that they're doing. So I'll try and let you guys know on stories or on Instagram when they're restocking this. And if you're sort of saving up an order, this is a pretty good incentive, I think. Okay, so that's it. I think that's quite a bit of new product in my life. I hope you enjoyed this sort of casual, informal unboxing of all this PR stuff and some stuff that I bought. Would love to hear your feedback on things that you're particularly interested about having me review. Like if I could only review one set of products from this whole video, what would you most want to see me review? The hair set from Modern Minerals, the Precious Skin Elixir stuff, the Skin Owl stuff. Like let me know what your top priority is for reviewing, and I'll try and prioritize that and figure it into my filming schedule. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to all the companies that reached out and wanted to send me these things. I'm incredibly appreciative to get this sort of stuff to test and review for the LAMOUR community. Get way more than I can realistically use. So a lot of stuff gets given to family and friends, and a lot of it I also put up on offer to send to people on Patreon. So totally free of charge. I pay for the shipping. I basically will just post a picture of like a bundle of products on to the different tiers of people on there, and it's a first come first serve. Whoever emails me first with their shipping address, I just mail it out to you. So that's kind of how I distribute things that I can't fully use. I feel good about having the stuff go to a good home of a fellow eco beauty enthusiast. Thank you so much. Again, I'm off to go film my updated skincare cabinet tour, and I'll see you guys in that soon, hopefully in a couple of days, because I'm on a little bit of a filming roll. Bye.